The next extended rudiments is one of my favorites. It's called the Flamacue. It's when you're playing right flam, accent, right, left, right flam, accent, right, left, right flam. It doesn't alternate, so there's a left side. It goes left flam, right, left flam, left flam, right, left flam. You can use the Flamacue in many different applications on the drum set. In this application, I'm going to show the Flamacue in a funk groove. What I'll do is I'll play the fill between my snare drum, my hi-hat, and my bass drum. And what I'm going to do is play the fill starting on beat 3. And what I'll do is I'll play the open hi-hat on the E of 3. It sounds like this. 1 E and a, 2 E and a. One E and a, 2 E and a. One E and a, 2 E and a. One E and a, 2 E and a. The next thing I'll do is I'll play a 4-bar phrase with the Flamacue as a 2-beat fill. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next idea I'm going to play is going to be a Latin fill, and what I'll do is I'll feature a left-handed Flamacue. So what I'm doing here is I'm playing the left-handed Flamacue between the snare drum, the floor tom, and the mid tom. And what I'm doing is I'm playing on the last flam, I'm playing a left flam between the floor tom and the snare drum. Note that when I play the flams between two surfaces, I'm going to open them up to give a fatter sound. That sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Now what I'll do is I'll play a Latin feel, and I'll put the fill in an 8-bar phrase in cut time. It sounds like this. 1, 2. So those are just a few ideas you can try, but please be creative with this and try all different kinds of feels and note rates and really have fun with it. The rudiments are an open door of all kinds of different creative things you can do, so it comes out in your vocabulary. And you'll see after you get the muscle memory and you play this around the kit, how musical it is. Thank you so much for going through this video. I hope you've gotten a lot out of it. Be sure to check out my website, robhartdrumstudio.com, and there I've posted online courses that I've dedicated my life of playing and teaching music that cover counting and reading rhythms, hand and feet technique, groove independence, and much more. Until next time, happy practicing.